You're watching Ori Channel 1 channel. Hello everyone, my name is Ratna. This is a cooking segment. Stay tuned if you're interested. Today is October 12, 2020. Today is the second Monday in October and it commemorates the landing of the Italian sailor Christopher Columbus in America. Today is celebrated as Columbus Day here. Being a special day, in this cooking segment, I am making America's favorite dish, pancakes, the good old-fashioned way. The original recipe is from allrecipes.com. I'll have the link in the description box below, but I did tweak a couple of ingredients or so. So let's move on to the ingredients. For the dry ingredients, I have 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour. I substituted all-purpose flour with whole wheat flour as it is more healthy. And then I have 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1 tablespoon sugar. Moving to the wet ingredients, I have 1.25 cups of milk, 1 egg. If you don't eat egg, then you can substitute it with same size of banana. Just mash it real good with spoon to make a puree. And then you need 3 tablespoons of butter and 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract. Let's get started with the dry ingredients. Whole wheat flour, I'm sifting it to get a good texture. I'm adding salt, followed by baking soda, and then sugar. Now I'm going to sift these ingredients real good. Okay, now I'm moving on to the wet ingredients. First I'm adding milk, followed by egg, and then comes butter, and finally the vanilla extract. And now I'm going to blend everything well. I blended it for a good 1 minute and the batter looks really good. Now I'm going to cook this on medium flame. So this is the pan I'm going to use. It's been on medium flame and the pan is ready. And I'm pouring about 1/4 cup of batter on it. Holes are showing up, which means that the other side is getting cooked. And I'm trying to flip it. There you go. So the pancakes are ready and you can garnish it with some fruits. I'm using some banana and a strawberry and some blueberries. Now you can serve this with honey or any kind of syrup, chocolate syrup, maple syrup, blueberry syrup, strawberry syrup, whatever you like. I have some blueberry syrup here, so I'm just gonna pour slowly on top of it. And here you go. The pancakes are ready and you can eat it with hand just like I do, or you can try with a fork and a knife. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to use the knife on my right hand and the fork on the other. And all you do is use the fork to insert into the pancakes and then use the knife to cut almost a triangle. And then you take the fork off and pick that piece. I'm on diet, so I'm not eating. So I hope you'll make this tomorrow for your breakfast. Please do let me know how it turned out. That will do it for today's segment. Stay healthy, stay positive. Have a good day. In case it's night there, have a good night. Bye.